to the other level also. Okay, hello and welcome to the class. This is growth and nutrition. This is what from chapter number 3, page 28. We'll talk about growth here. What is the meaning of growth? Growth means to increase in size. This is a natural process. It does not require anything artificial. Like you cannot go you cannot take some medicines to grow up, or you cannot do anything. Simply you have to eat food. You have to fulfill the needs of your body. If your body needs calcium, if your skin needs some vitamins, so you have to eat a proper and balanced food so that you can grow. Those people, those children who do not eat properly, they cannot grow. They either they have weak bones, or they have different things that stop them from growing. Okay, normally. Now see here, in the next picture, you see this is the cycle of growth. This is between the human beings. Now this is the this is the process of growth among the human beings. So look at the first one. This is a baby or an infant. Okay, look at picture number 2, 3, and 4. This lifetime is called childhood. When you are 1 year old till 3 years old, you are a toddler. There could be a question in exam, what do you mean by toddler, or what do you mean by teenager? Okay, so you have to learn the definition, that what is the meaning of toddler. Toddler is a kid from the age of 1 year to 3 years old. Now from 3 to 5 years is the kids who are preschool. But I think these days children, they are going 3.5. If the baby is 3.5 years old, he or she can go to school. So this is what is the time when the baby starts going to school. That is from 3 years. Okay, so you can also say that toddlers can go to school. After that, you have this age when your age is from 5 to 12. Now, if you ask me, teacher, from these stages, where are you? You are in this age. See here, this is your age. You are from between 5 years to 12 years. Maybe you people are 9 years old or 10 years old. Children are in grade 3. Look at the next one. Next one is the teenagers. These kind of students, they go to the college. Maybe you have younger brothers or sisters who go to college or university. They become of this age. So this age is called what? Teenagers. What is the meaning of teenagers? Teenagers are the children who have the age from 13 till 19. Okay, so maybe when you say 13, 14, 15, 16, you hear the word teen. So this is why we named it as teenager. Okay, the next one is adult. So this is the age of your parents. Okay, maybe your parents are from 36 till 55. These are the adults. Okay, and finally 65, these people become what? These people are the old people who are 65 plus. So this is the life cycle of growth. This is the process between the human beings. Now look here, look at your book, page number 28. Look at the next question, which is on your book in the center. Now the process of growth is also among the animals. It is also common because animals, they also give birth to their babies. So babies, they slowly grow up. Look at the question in your book. Name the young for each of these animals. What is the name of the bear? Now they're telling you to write the name of the babies we have. Now this is a bear. Can you see this is a bear? What is the name of the baby bear? What you call it? We call it as cub. Please write that under the picture because this question is given in your book. Write on your book. What is the name of the small bear? What is the baby bear called? The baby bear is called cub. Okay, the next one you know very well. The next one is a cat. So what you call, this is a cat. This is the mother cat. And what is the name of the baby cat? The baby cat is called, it's kitten. So what is the name of the baby cat? Baby cat is called kitten. Okay, I did not put the pictures of adults. You can see the picture of frog in the book. It's missing here. Okay, so a big adult frog is just called a frog. And what is the baby called? The baby frog is called tadpole. Okay, please write these names on the book. The baby bear is called cub. Baby cat is called kitten, and baby frog is called tadpole. After that, you will also see the process of growth and nutrition is also common among the plants. Plants, they also grow up. They also live, they are also living things like us. They need food, water, oxygen, carbon dioxide. They need carbon dioxide, the plants. Animals, they need oxygen. So this is how the process of growth is also common among, not only among the human beings and plants, but also it is common among the plants. Okay, so animals and human beings, they get, you can see them that they have grown. So in the same way, plants, they also have babies, they grow up. Okay, so let's move to the next step. Plants grow in stages. So these are the different stages of plants. See, when you look at the plants, in the same way we have the stages. Look, we have the stages. In the same way, the plants, they also have stages. So see, the first one is, this is a seed. This is under the ground. Now see, this is a seed which is under the ground. Slowly, slowly it begins to grow out. See, it comes out of the ground. Okay, slowly, slowly it becomes a young plant. See, it becomes a seedling. This is seedling. We call the small plant, this is called seedling. Please, it's written in your book already. This is seedling. This is a young plant, and finally it becomes an adult plant. Let's move to the next picture. Look at here. First of all, you have a seed. This is another example of plants, how they grow up. First, they are plant. Then there is a small shoots come out of the seed. In the third step, there you will notice that there are roots that are coming out of the seed, and you have a small baby plant here. This is a seedling. We call this plant as a seedling. It has it is like a young plant. Okay, this is seedling. This is young plant, and finally you have adult plant. In adult plant, you will notice that this seed vanishes out. Okay, look at another example. We have third example of the plant growth stages. Look at the first one. You drop some seeds. After that, you have a small plant. It will change into a seedling. See here, this is a baby plant or seedling. It grows to a baby plant. This is seedling. Okay, this is a baby plant, and then it grows to an adult plant. See, it has fruits. Some plants, they have fruits. Some plants, they are not flowering fruits plants, so they don't have flowers. And then finally the flower, it changes into a seed. So these are some of the stages of plants and animals or living things, the way they grow up. So the process of growth is very important in living things, especially among human beings, animals, and also plants. So for growing up, what is important, because they have already give you this, as you look at the chapter, the lesson, then the lesson is what? Food and nutrition. So what is important for growing up? You should have a proper and balanced food, and you should eat good and strong food, like what is balanced food that is needed for your body and for your health, so that you can grow up properly. If you do not eat properly, or if you do not take care of yourself properly, maybe the process of growth becomes slower and you will not grow properly. And then finally doing so, the point will come where your growth will stop and you will not grow anymore. Okay. For example, maybe you will not become tall in your height. Maybe your hair will not grow. You have a breakage of, you have a lots of hair fall and breakage of nails. Your nails will not be stronger. Your bones will not be stronger. If you will not eat properly, you will also have skin problems. Okay, so especially you children, because you are small children, so this is the age where you guys need lots of healthy food and avoid yourself from a junk food. So the proper growth, it depends on nutrition. Okay, now I ask you people, if you have any